Hi everyone, it's Bob from Rye Field Models. Welcome back to the channel. And here we have the final reveal of the Sherman Crab Flail Tank. Um, it's been an interesting project. If you've been following me, you'll have seen that it's been a little bit tricky, a little bit different. It's certainly different. Um, the tank itself, the RFM Rye Field Models tank, Sherman tank, has been brilliant. Really great kit. The Lanmo stuff, the resin for the flail, has been really interesting working with that. It's been a great experience working with that. That's come out great. Um, so anyway, without further ado, if you do like it, please like and subscribe and leave a comment. If you don't like it, leave a comment. If you like it, leave a comment. But yeah, I mean, all the comments and all your likes and subscribes really help the channel. So I'd be really grateful if you could do that. And I do like reading all the comments. So without further ado, let's get over to the bench and take some photographs. Right, so here we are. I'm having to do this freehand. Um, it's been a really interesting build, as I've said. So I'm giving it some heavy weathering, and it's on a muddy base. And it's got some, yeah, really nice thing. I added the lane markers on the back because it didn't have any reference to those or anything like those. So I just made those up, scratch built those. And then a load of mud and dirt and corruption around the flails, and the flails in the mud there and whatnot. So yeah, I'm quite pleased with it, to be honest. It's been an interesting build, and yeah, let's do some stills and I'll come back to you. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like what you've seen. See you later. Bye for now.